Yo, it's Jo! So today I'm gonna do another video reaction and this time it's going to be about JONG KOOK, ATEEZ, Be My Lover, 바다 보러 갈래? Would you want to see the sea? Would you want to see the beach? Would you want to go to the beach? But yeah, so let's get started. 가자! JONG KOOK. ATEEZ! Cute! So is this a remake? Hey! 근데 it's so refreshing. Woo! Oh, okay. Yes, I'm gonna go. Oh my god! Hey! Hey! Summer vibes, man. Woo! I like this! Oh, I love it! 네, 나는 Oh, okay. Oh god, they're so talented. I know about them, by the way. Hey, oh my god, the setting is so nice. Wow, that's JONG Woo! Oh, I like this song. Okay. Oh, his voice though. Oh, it really brings me back, like to the very old K-pop. Oh my god, how time flies, man. So many things have changed. The fashion, the production. Hey. Oh, cute! Hey. Oh. He looks so buff, but when he sings, it's like, whoa. I'm just joking. Like, I was thinking, like, it doesn't look like it matches, but yeah, I'm just joking. 잘생겼다. Handsome, they're all handsome. Woo! Yo, when he... How does he have that high? Yo, his vocals, like, how is it that high? And he looks so buff. Wow, 너무 잘해. It's really good. Aww. I like the lyrics and it really makes you feel like you want to fall in love. Like it feels like you're in love, which relates to the title Be My Lover. Like, oh my god. It put me on this like 여름 summer vacation kind of vibes. Like, oh, I would play this if I was on a road trip or like having a time of my life in another country at the beach or something like that. Thank you so much for requesting this. I really do like it. Yeah, like I've been thinking of like I want to react to K-pop music videos lately. So if you guys want me to react to more K-pop, please comment down below. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time. 안녕!